What's up guys, Gordon Bradley here, and today I'm going to show you how to install and utilize the foot holding pads. Very universal, you can use them all over the place, but very simple. So first we have this part. There's 3 holes on the top side, give you more adjustability. This is just going to plug in here with the hitch pin. Anywhere within this rail that has holes on the side, you can use it. So the crossbar, the landmine bar, all of those, so you guys can come up with your own ideas, it will fit on any of those. So you just get it flat against your wall. The one thing I would suggest using these type of things is install this with a 1x6 or 2x6 behind it. You can screw right through into the studs. You'll probably need a little bit longer of screws. But then with these, they pry against the wall a little bit, which I have plywood, so I don't care. But you might want to protect your wall. If you have drywall, it's definitely going to chew into that. So think about that. But again, just installs real quick. Can move it anywhere you want. And then depending on what you're doing, you can move these obviously in any way, any hole that's available. These slide out to make room for this knob. Just fasten that. They have a little bit of movability, so they do move, but as soon as you put any pressure on them, they lock in place. So just expect a little bit of movement when you're getting into it, but that's not a big deal at all. So these, like I said, can come off, and then they can hook onto any of the square tubing that has holes in it. That is the 1 5/8 like this. So you can mount it here, you can take it off, you can spin it, you can mount it any direction. And I do curls, and I'll just make sure you can see it. I'll take the bolt off. So when I do curls with the landmine, I actually mount it here. This is here. Put this on here. And then bolt it down. So you get the idea, but put the pin in place and you can move this anywhere you want. This is meant to be super multi-purpose. This is another way. This is probably most likely for doing curls with the landmine. But as you can see, it's very universal. You guys, I did make this so you could kind of experiment, but obviously make sure you're putting it in ways that are very safe. That's up to you to make sure that you're doing things that are safe. But it is meant to go in different places. So there you have it. This one's nice and easy. And if you have questions, let me know.